Hey everyone, it's me Suchita. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about the top portals for online teaching. And you want to start your tutoring career and you want to teach students online. So what are the portals which are best for you? So let's start today's video. Before that, if you're new to the channel, do consider subscribing and press the bell icon and give me a thumbs up on this video at the end if you will like the video, because then I'll get an idea which kind of content my audience wants to see. So without any delay, let's into this. So the first portal which I want to talk about is Unacademy. When you will check on YouTube, you will get thousand or maybe lakhs of video which are talking about Unacademy. There are many tutors. I know them personally. They have started working with Unacademy. Now with Unacademy, what is the best thing? You will get good money. They are paying really well. You must have good qualification. Then only you can apply on Unacademy. They do check your documents. You need to upload everything, and you must have a good experience in teaching. Then only Unacademy will hire you and they will pay you a good salary. Apart from that, you should not be worried about the number of students, how many number of students you are going to get. They just pay you a fixed salary, and doesn't matter how many students they will get for your particular subject. So Unacademy graph is growing up day by day. So this is the right time. If you are looking for such portal, you can join Unacademy. Second one is Check.India. See, if I'll talk about Check.India, I never tried it personally, but I do have friends who tried it well, and for some of them, they face some issues in the getting the payment and maybe delayed payment. But some of them had a good experience with them. So I think it's totally depend on the situation, nothing to do with the portal, but still very careful. Now in Check.India, you will get three type of online options. First one is you can teach as a tutor. You can just get students and you can teach them. Second one, you can work as a expert answer, and they will provide you some questions, and it's totally depend how many questions you will answer in a day. Accordingly you will get the payment. Third one is the textbook solver. Yes, so when you will they will have some books and they want to have solutions of those textbook questions for their students. So you can just solve the questions of the textbook and you need to submit, and depend how many questions you solve in a day, accordingly you will get the payment. So in Check.India, it's totally depend on the number, how many students you are teaching, how many questions you are answering, and how many textbook questions you are solving. So accordingly you will get the payment. Third one is Vedantu. Yes, as like Unacademy, Vedantu is also in their peak of their you can say growth, and they are growing day by day. With Vedantu, my personal experience is my niece she started learning. She attended classes from Byju, Unacademy and Vedantu, and she liked the Vedantu. The teachers are teaching at the basic level, and they are more clarity. So she found the portal good as compared to the other platform. So nowadays students do prefer Vedantu. So as a teacher, it's a benefit for you. So if you have a basic knowledge of your teaching, you don't have much skills, you just have a good degree and maybe you are a fresher, so Vedantu is a good platform to start it with. Next one is Toppr, Toppr. This is a platform, I heard about it, with less time devotion you will get a good payment. Means their charges are very good, because maybe they have a good number of students who you will get to teach. So this is a good if you will spend around 6 to 7 hours in a day, you will maybe earn around 40 to 45,000 very easily in a month. So that's how Toppr, I heard, good in payments. Now I've given you what are the top platforms which are in demand nowadays. You still do a background research about them and you can start teaching on them. Now when you will start using a portal, I'll suggest you one thing from my experience, that you do not just stick with one portal initially. When you will start using these portals, so what you can do, you can just start with 2 portals, right? They have common registration, and then they do your online interview, they ask you to documents. These are the simple process. When you will check their website, you will easily understand them. So what you have to do, you will start with 2 portals, okay, and then you judge which are good in payment according to the charges, students, facilities, in terms of behavior, like the professional behavior. So you judge, and then later maybe you can just continue and grow in one portal. So I'll suggest you initially take 2 or maybe maximum 3 portal in your hand and start teaching with them. If one will not work, you will not get disappointment, at least the second will work for you. Because if you will start only with one, maybe you will not feel happy working with them, and then it will be like, maybe discourage you to start with another portal. All this procedure, initially when you start, you have enthusiasm, you have passion, you are excited and positive. So that time, if you keep 2-3 options in your hand, and then later on you choose the best one and go ahead with that. So that is all about the online portals. I hope you like the video. I hope I am able to deliver some content which will help you to set up your online teaching career. So if you like the video for whatever reason, give me a thumbs up and do mention the point in the comment box, so that I'll get the idea how my audience like, what kind of content my audience do like. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.